Hi everyone, this is Wen Guo from Wen Guo Real Estate Group. Today we're showcasing the stunning newly remodeled home in San Bruno, Huntington Park, really close to Millbrae. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a very beautiful backyard. 3 skylights allowing abundance of natural light and fresh air. Voluminous open floor plan connects living room and kitchen together. Everything has been remodeled to perfection with high quality materials ready for you to move in. A must see. Let's check it out.您好，欢迎和我一起参观 San Bruno 的126 Linden Avenue， 4房2卫，楼上楼下，宽敞平整的后院，里里外外全新装修升级改造，各处可见的天窗让房子充满阳光和清新的空气，开放式平面令空間更加流暢自然。隔離就係 Camino Real， 行街食飯一樣咁方便，但係又不失寧靜。同我一齊過嚟睇下啦！I hope you enjoyed this newly updated stunning home. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. 謝謝參觀，有問題啊，請隨時跟我聯繫，我喺度等緊你㗎。